Learn to read with Auntie Whitney.
Hi parents, a common problem among children learning to read is blending CVC words. CVC words are consonants, vowels, consonants. Like this example, we have b, a, t, bat. What we want to do is to teach children how to sound out the first letter here because we read from left to right. So we start with them saying b, but then if you notice they're saying b at, and you've asked them to repeat and they say b at. Another way we could do it to let it be more fluid in terms of the sounding is to let them use the first two letters b, a, ba, and then blend it with the ending sound. So it sounds like b, a, ba, t, instead of b, at. Like this video, subscribe for more.